Hi there and welcome back. My name is Mina Sabzian. I'm a graphic designer. Today we want to learn together how we can make a scroll bar animation in Figma. Please open Figma, and now I'm going to make a frame here. I'm giving the corner radius 30. Then I'm hitting the R key, or you can go here to pick up the rectangle tool. I'm coming here and making one rectangle here, but I'm going to change the color. For example, it's good. Again, one rectangle here. Just for the design here, I'm giving the radius 20 and writing something here, making it bold, and we are going to increase to see. Yes, it's good. Now we are coming here, selecting this frame and coming to choose rectangle. I'm going to cover this rectangle. Before here I have to check out unselected because I want to make this rectangle bigger than my frame. Then whenever I want to place the text here, it can be a scroll bar. Here I'm making this white. From before I made ready the text which is here, I'm going to bring it here. I have written some items here and I'm going to place these here. They are group, and I'm going to select these and this rectangle and making group of them, selecting this frame, and now I'm going to select these properties here, clip content. You can see that it's cut out. It not means that it's not here, it's here, but it's clip. When we are going to scroll it, we will see it. Now I'm going to have a scroll bar here. 10 here is okay. The radius of 5 maybe. Yeah, it looks nice. One time again, and I'm going to make this a scroll bar here, and with the radius of 20. I'm changing the color of it to dark. You can change this color to whatever you like. It's up to you which color you like. Then you can go to this and change accordingly. And we are going to fix it here, and we are choosing both of them and centering them to be together. Now I'm going to duplicate this frame one time with the help of Ctrl D. You can see it here, but right now I have to go to group this for frame. I want just to frame should goes up till environment is here, should goes till here, but here this group should go under this rectangle. This group should come here, and this also the same. This group should come under this rectangle. When we are going to scroll them, they should be scrollable and they shouldn't come above this. So I'm going to take it down here, and should be center also. I'm selecting both of them and center them. This is okay. Now is the time for going to prototype section, and I'm coming here and I'm connecting this scroll bar to this. And to properties panel, I'm going to this interaction details. We don't want to click it, we want to drag it. So it should show the drag from navigate to frame 2 and smart animate is out 300 millisecond. And this also, when we are dragging this, we have to connect it here. Again, it should be same properties here, and smart animate is out. Now we are going to the part to see that how it will react and how we can present it. Now is the time to see it. As you can see, is very nicely. We can scroll down and up, and all our text group are here, and we can see them, and very nicely is going to react. I wish this technique be useful for you. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell button to be informed about next video. And thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye.